Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Gmail Smart Compose feature. In 2026, Smart Compose is a Google's AI powered tool that predicts what you are going to write next and offers suggestion to finish your sentences. It's like a predictive text for your keyboard but tailored to your specific writing style. Now, to enable this Smart Compose, what you can do is go ahead and open your Gmail first of all, then go to the settings. By tapping on these three horizontal lines, you should be able to access your settings by tapping on the setting gear icon. From there, go ahead and tap on your specific email and you should be able to find a general tab. Go ahead and tap on this general option, and from here you should be able to find this smart features option. Go ahead and tap on this and also ensure that Smart Compose is enabled. Now once this is enabled, go ahead and tap on your Compose button. And once you go to Compose button and start to write in your message, what happens is as you are typing your message, a Google or Gmail Smart Compose automatically gives you a predictive sentence over here. However, it is not shown in mine, but it should be shown in yours once you write it down. And once you press your spacebar, that predictive lines will be engraved in your mail. And that is how you can use this Smart Compose feature to write perfect Gmails or even send good Gmails to your higher ups or even your friends or families. And that is how you do it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.